Welcome back to my channel. It's DAMNSHEJAMAICAN, your biggest and brightest shining star. So in today's video I'm going to be talking about Jupiter in Leo. Okay, Jupiter in Leo. Let's get straight into it. Jupiter plays a very significant part in our solar system. It actually protects the Earth from a lot of debris that we may catch here on planet Earth. So in astrology, we see that Jupiter is a benefic, meaning it is a very lucky and expansive planet. It's all about faith, wisdom, higher learning, and expansion. It's all about learning. It's the grandfather. Jupiter in your life, wherever Jupiter is going to teach you how to develop a profound understanding of that area of life. Jupiter comes with wisdom, so it's going to give you a lot of experience in a certain area of life, or give you a lot of experience having a certain characteristic trait. And by you having all these experiences and expanding on these qualities, you'll be able to learn a lot about that specific trait or area in life. Now, Jupiter in the sign of Leo. Leo is ruled by the sun. Leo is also ruled by the 5th house. Leo is a very fun and playful and energetic placement. Jupiter in Leo is a person that's very giving. They're very warm-hearted, very loving, and these are the type of people that put their needs above others. Jupiter in Leo is the type of person that loves to give to others. They love to see others shine, and by doing this, they also shine themselves. These are the type of people that are very, very generous when it comes to money and gifting and just helping. These are the type of people that are very into creativity. They're very creative people themselves, and they may love to escape and indulge in creative tasks. These are the type of people that love to play games. They love to entertain. They may love entertainers. They just love anything that deals with fun and child's play. These are the type of people that are very smart, very fun to be around, and very loving. Like I said, this is a very generous energy. So these people love to give, and they love to feel loved in return for the things that they give. Jupiter in Leo, these are the type of people that can have very expressive moods and emotions. These are the type of people that can express themselves in many different ways, and so sometimes when they become very expressive, they can go from highs to lows. So these are the type of people that can get moody sometimes. And Jupiter in Leo, whenever they're in a certain mood, it's a fixed sign, so they may just go ahead and express how they feel. Now, Jupiter in Leo, another thing with having this placement, which would consider it a weakness, is that these people can develop a very fragile ego, meaning that these are the type of people that love a lot of attention, and they love to receive a lot of attention. So when they're not getting attention, it can kind of, they may think like, what are they doing? Are they not doing enough? So they start to give more because they want to receive that love in return. Jupiter in Leo is a very interesting placement because here Jupiter wants to expand on all things of creativity. So these are the type of people that may want to have children. These are the type of people that love to see things grow and love to nurture and love to just keep the party live. This is fixed fire, so we're talking about keep the party lit. These are the type of people that have a long staying power for just having fun, abundant amount of energy. These are people that are very fun for a long period of time. These are the type of people that could be party hostess. They're really good at gathering a group of people and having fun, and these are the type of people that love to see other people smile. They love to see other people happy, and they love to see other people in good spirits. Like I said, having this placement can make you forget your own needs and put others above you, just for the simple fact that Jupiter is expanding this quality of being a giver, being very generous, being someone that's able to be a lighthouse for other people to shine. So having this placement is very important to be aware of that, very important to be aware of your giving nature, and make sure that the people that you're giving all of this energy to actually really deserve it, and they're not just taking advantage of you, because this placement can cause for people to take advantage of you very easily. Now, Jupiter in Leo, I will also say that this placement calls for someone that has very strong opinions about the things that they love, about the things that they're entertained. So these people could be comedians. These people could be very captivating people to be around. Whatever they're into, it could be something that can interestingly appease other people, you know. These are the type of people that love to bring attention to the things that they do for hobbies and the things that they do for fun. These are the type of people that expand in that area of life. The things that they do for fun really bring them a lot of joy, and they find a lot of luck in the areas of life of things that they do for entertainment and fun as well. They carry a very optimistic heart. They know that when they give, they will receive in return. These are the type of people that may be really good at gambling. They may just really love to gamble for the fun of it. And these are the type of people, because Jupiter is in the sign of Leo, it could really expand this energy. So it could be something that you've had a lot of experiences doing and you just had a lot of luck, you know. In this sign, Jupiter is just lucky, period. So I feel like especially Jupiter in Leo would be a very good placement for people that just want to gamble or just take very risky endeavors in order to make money, or just anything like that. Another thing with Jupiter in the sign of Leo, I would say, is that these people can be very friendly and helpful to the people around them and the people that they love dearly. These are the type of people, like I said, they will give their all to you. They love hard and they play hard, and the people that they love mean so much to them, and they will give their whole lives to that person. And so this is just the energy, you know, when we talk about creativity and Jupiter expanding this energy, that means that this person will always be able to manifest a lot of creative and new ways of even just giving love and showing. These are the type of people that love to give. I hope I said that right. These are the type of people that love to just give a lot of positivity, and they get that in return. Like I said, Jupiter in a man's chart, in this energy, he's going to be very giving. He's going to be a very romantic man. You know, Jupiter here is going to make this person very loving, love to spoil the person that they're with. These are the type of people that love to work hard for the finer things in life. They love to be entertained. They love going out on dates. They love flirting. These are the type of people that love to just have very romantic involvements with things. You know, these are the type of people that can really expand on that. Now, in a woman's chart, Jupiter represents the type of husband that she's going to attract, or the life partner that she's willing to be with. Now, this energy, Jupiter in Leo for women, I would say that your husband or your life partner could be one of a person that is very childlike, very fun, very playful, may love to entertain people, you know, may like to have a lot of friends and hang out and just be life of the party, center of attention. But these people are very generous and giving themselves, and they attract all this warm energy. People may call on them for a lot of things, you know. People may just really can rely on this person just even for a sense of inspiration and just light, you know. So that's my take on Jupiter in Leo. It's actually a really good placement in my opinion. Yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say for this video. I hope you truly appreciated this video. Go ahead and comment down below if you have Jupiter in Leo. Please let me know what this placement is like. Let me know if you have it with other planets. Let me know what house it's in. Go ahead and educate the rest of us on this placement if you are experienced living with this. Okay, I'm pretty sure you have a lot to say. I would love to hear it. All right, thank you. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I hope this video was informational enough for you to go ahead and check out more videos. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in another one. Mwah. Peace.